Hello everyone. So here we are at the Linux command line, and some information you can get from it is you can see who you're logged in as, in this case Ubuntu, and you can see the name of the server that you're logged in to, that's the IP address for this server, and this tilde tells you where you're at in the server. It's representative for the home folder. For example, if you do pwd print working directory, it's going to say home/Ubuntu. And let's say you were another user in here, we'll do sudo -a for root, and then do print working directory, and see it says we're in the root folder, and as you can see from here, your root, this IP address, and you're in the home folder for root. So we'll exit, going back to Ubuntu, and while we're here, again, we are in the Ubuntu home folder. We're going to do ls to see what files are available. Right now, this is a new server, so there's no files available, but we're going to create some files real quick by doing touch file squiggly bracket 1 through 5. Now, if we do ls, we will see files 1 through 5. Commands in Linux, such as ls, comes with this own little built-in manual. To access it, you'll just do ls --. And these are the different arguments that you can pass into the ls command and file system. For example, one command that I use a lot is the -l command, which is the long listing format for it. So if you come back down here to the bottom, type in ls-l, you're going to get the files when they were last edited, which is today, who created the file, what group they're in, and the user and the group permissions to that file. Another one I use a lot is ls-a, which you can see over here. It says all. It does not ignore entries starting with a dot, which means it doesn't ignore hidden files. So if we do ls-a for all, you'll see just ls. And not only do you see files 1 through 5, but you see these other file folders with a dot in front of them. These are hidden, usually sister files. You don't have to do the commands just one at a time. You can add in, you can put them together like ls-a. You have the long format of everything. ls-alt. And that puts them in the order that they were last edited. And you can also ls files in other directories. For example, the etc file, which is in the root folder. You can see what's inside there by ls/etc. Now, right now, since I don't have any directories in my path, I'm going to make some directories. Now we're going to make some files inside of those directories. Now, if we do ls, we will see directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, file 5. If you do ls, and we'll see test A, B, and C instead of directory 1. And if you're ever wondering where you're at in the file system, you just do pwd for print working directory. So, for example, right now we're still in the Ubuntu home folder. So if we were to change to directory 1, new directory, we see home Ubuntu directory 1, for example. Let's change to root. And then we can change directory to Ubuntu/directory 1. Okay, you have to do home first if you're changing from another directory. For example, I'm root and I'm trying to go to Ubuntu directory 1. I had to do change directory/home.
And let's say you just want to go up one folder, you do cd dot dot. That's going to take me to Ubuntu's home folder, cd dot dot. We're back up to the home folder, and then we do cc dot, cc dot dot, and we're back at the root home folder. So let's exit root, and here we are as in boot gen directory 1. Let's just do change directory. If there's no argument to the end of it, it's going to take you straight back to the home folder where we're at. And if you ever need to go back and change something, or you realize you're not finished working, a quick cd dash will take you right back to where you were. And that was a pretty quick and simple walkthrough of how to navigate your Linux system. I hope you play around with it. I'll put some links down at the bottom with some other resources. And please leave me a comment on other videos you'd like to see. Thank you guys.